Hello everybody, in this lesson I will show you how to use your calculator to make a table so that you don't have to do all the hard work and all the substitution of all the x values to find the corresponding y value. The function is f of x is equal to x squared, and then here you see the table. And then it's really very hard work to work out what the corresponding y coordinates are. But now in the next slide, I will teach you how to use your calculator to quickly fill in your table so that you can sketch f of x is x squared. Now there's our calculator. We start with mode setup and then we choose number 3 table. Then for the x it's alpha and the right bracket, and then we square it and equals. Equals again, and then we start at -2 and equals, and we end at 2 equals. And then the step in algebra is 1, and there's your table, and there's all your coordinates, and that's the button that you use to get from one coordinate to the other. To clear or to go back to the previous step is AC, and if you want to clear, it's on mode setup number 1 computer and equals. Now here I just want to show you how the calculator screen and the table corresponds. On the first, this number 1 is your first entry, and your x value was -2 and your corresponding y value was 4, and this means this is that coordinate in your table. And again, the second entry, let's look at that one, that's the coordinate -1 and 1. So on your table, there you find the coordinate -1 and 1. Thank you for watching my videos. Have you subscribed yet? And remember, there's also a playlist on the parabola, and then you will also find a playlist on the hyperbola, the exponential function, the straight line. In fact, you will find videos on all the chapters in the algebra and in paper 2, the trigonometry and the Euclidean geometry.